Alright, here we go with number 1, making sure we count out loud as we go. 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 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 4, done. Alright, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 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 4, done. Number 2. 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 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 3, 4, done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 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 3, 4, done. Number 3. 60 beats a minute. 1, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 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 done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That was a terrible start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 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 done. And number 4, coming in on the upbeat of 1. So I'm going to count off like I always do. I'm not going to play anything on the 1. When you go from one bar to the next, make sure you let this chord ring out. So you do not want to make this into an 8th note rest. Make that chord ring out for both of those 8th notes. Obviously you got to have some point where you let go of the chord, but basically let it ring out as much as you can. So hopefully this demo will explain exactly what I'm talking about. 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 2, 3, one thing to point out. When you do the repeat, ignore the 8th note rest. Allow this chord to ring out across the downbeat of 1 when you do the repeat. So if I was to write it out exactly how it would sound, we would have 8 bars going here instead of just 4. So this is just a way to keep it simple. So let the F5 chord ring out across beat 1 when you begin the repeat, and still do your switch to the A5 chord on the upbeat of 1. 120 beats a minute. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 done. Alright. So I do feel that you're understanding this stuff a lot better. So, making good progress, and that means we will be getting to more interesting, more advanced things coming up. Alright, so if any questions come up, please let me know, and I'll see you again next week.